Trees bend, but they don't break tonight. Church bells echo like a battle cry, calling the lost, calling you and I. Lights in the dark, we're not alone. Hope carved deep into stone and bone. From the streets below to the hilltops high, we raise our voice, we will not hide. Through the silence, through the pain, through every loss, through every chain, a fire was born in Bethlehem, and it's burning in us again. There's a fire on the hills of Shillong, burning through the night till the fear is gone. From Christmas Day to New Year's song, we are standing here, standing strong. Hearts alive, hear the freedom call. Love will rise, never fall. With heaven's light we carry on. Fire on the hills of Shillong. Boots on the road, guitars in hand, broken dreams learning how to stand. Every scar tells a victory won, every ending's a new begun. We've seen storms tear the sky apart, but faith still beats in the rebel heart. From small rooms loud with prayer and sound, we found a hope that won't back down. Through the doubt, through the fight, through the longest, darkest night, a child was born to change it all. Now we rise when the shadows fall. There's a fire on the hills of Shillong, burning through the night till the fear is gone. From Christmas Day to New Year's song, we are standing, standing strong. Hearts alive, hear the freedom call. Love will rise, never fall. With heaven's light we carry on. Fire on the hills, hills of Shillong. Let the old year die tonight. Lay your burdens in the light. Forgive, release, let mercy run. The new year's already begun. No more chains, no more fear. God is with us, here and new dawn breaking over the land. Future wide in his hands. We walk forward, hearts awake. Every step of how we make. If the road gets steep